Hey guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning from wherever you're seeing. So you can see Tulsi plants has now germinated, and I use the same technique to germinate the seeds to plants. And you can see this is a mustard seeds plant, and then here you can see Tulsi. So all these use the same technique, and now they have grown very nicely and neatly, where I'm very happy to talk about it. And if you see this is the tomato plant, and similarly I've grown some chili plants here, and then you can see more of tomato plants here, here, and here. Unfortunately, the old tulsi plant is gone. I have to say bye to it. I do love it though. Then here you can see some more. Do we have it here? No, I don't think here I have got any new plants. This is just the aloe vera. But yes, you can see some chili plants here, and yeah, that is Karpur Balli, we call it. Yeah, Amrutoni or something. I don't remember the name of this. But yes, this mustard, I've used it. Now it's getting dried of some leaves. Yes, this is fun. I recommend you all to grow plants. It's a kind of good feeling you can have when you're growing these plants. And then, yeah, you will also have a healthy environment when you are around the plants. So yes, with that, I'll see you off. This is Atma again. Thank you for watching my video. Do like and subscribe. Do not forget that. Cheers all. Bye.